unloading the trucks because they're not parked inside anymore, and can't leave them loaded. They'll freeze and build up. So we unload them every day after we get done for the day, and keep them unloaded, keep them cleaned out. I'm not sure how many ton they actually hold.
About 3 buckets full. Every time you hit a bridge, you hit the blast button. And bad curves, we hit the blast one, so it make it safe.
We try to pull the hoppers out of the box about every couple weeks during the real cold weather, because underneath the hoppers where the chain rides, the salt builds up, and after a while it just gets built up, and that's usually what breaks the chain, is what the build up in the front of the box. So we'll pull them out, clean them out, wash the boxes out, tighten the chains up on the spreaders, and then put them back in.